This is my grandpa. He knows almost everything about AI.
And this is AIKI, my granddaughter, whose curiosity and enthusiasm for artificial intelligence knows no bounds.
Grandpa, you read everywhere these days. Artificial intelligence writes texts, does translations, schedules appointments. Why should we even work anymore?
Oh, that's exactly what I thought back when the first pocket calculators came along. The immediate reaction was, now kids are going to forget how to do mental arithmetic. And today, nobody does math voluntarily, though.
So you're saying AI is like a calculator, only for everything?
Almost. Just a little smarter and much more talkative.
More talkative? What do you think?
Well, look here, I simply say. Please plan the schedule for a project meeting next week. And voila, the AI writes me an agenda, a schedule, and even the tasks. I used to have everything on paper, but now I have time for coffee before a meeting.
I already use ChatGPT for writing emails, but it still feels a bit weird.
That's because you think you're cheating, but you're doing what any good craftsman would. You're simply using the right tools.
What if I have to write in German? I don't want to sound like an online translator from 2005.
Before, dictionary. Now, work in seconds. And you sound like you studied in Berlin. And after the meeting, I used to search for my notes. Today, the AI automatically summarizes who said what.
So, like a silent secretary?
Exactly, just without coffee breaks. Ha ha.
So AI helps us save time and think more clearly?
That's right. It takes the hard work off our hands, so we have more energy for what only we humans can do. Having ideas, empathizing, making decisions.
So, AI doesn't make us redundant, but frees us up for what's important.
Exactly. And that's perhaps the best job of the future, remaining human, with AI as a colleague.
Do you think she wants coffee too?
If she ever starts cooking that, we'll talk about unemployment again. Ha ha!
We hope you enjoyed the video.
If so, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell.